Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 1st of June. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will feature a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, maybe a few strong storms with a cold front drifting down through the state. Then a new surge of dry air drops in here Friday, and a tropical depression will likely form in the Gulf of Mexico very soon, the southern Gulf. Let's talk about things. This is the upper air look this afternoon. The main dynamic forcing for rain again today, north and west of the state. We have ridging in place here across the southeast. There's the visible satellite view. The sky mostly sunny with a field of cumulus clouds, and a few small isolated showers have popped up, but not many. If you look really carefully, there's one just west of downtown Birmingham at 2:30, drifting to the west, but most places are dry. Temperatures mostly upper 80s and low 90s. Tuscaloosa 91, Birmingham and Anniston 87. We're expecting mostly upper 80s tomorrow. Flash flood watches in effect for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York. Got a chance of severe storms through tonight in a broad zone from West Texas up into parts of New England. That risk clipping the northwestern corner of the state. And then tomorrow, we have a low-end marginal risk of severe storms, level 1 out of 5, for the possibility of hail and gusty winds north of a line from near York to Alabaster to about Weiss Lake. The area is in darker green. That's mainly for tomorrow afternoon as a cold front pushes in here. There's the larger view tomorrow. That marginal risk runs across parts of the southeastern states. A slight risk, level 2 out of 5, up around Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Richmond. And then day 3, which is Friday, we have a risk of severe storms over West Texas, back up through the eastern part of Colorado, parts of Nebraska, also a marginal risk east of here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, heavier totals north and south of here. The really big numbers down in South Florida, especially south of Lake Okeechobee, with our tropical feature. This is suggesting our friends down in Miami and Key West, they could see over 8 inches of rain with that system. Speaking of that, here's the tropical weather outlook. There is one little trough that's east of the Bahamas that is not expected to develop in the Atlantic. The ghost of Agatha is expected to become a depression. The Hurricane Center giving it a 70% chance of becoming a depression within 48 hours, an 80% chance by the end of the week, and it's moving in the direction of South Florida. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean takes it across the far southern part of Florida. And again, the main impact is going to be a lot of rain here. There's strong upper winds. This will not be a hurricane, maybe not even a storm. But again, this is the latest guidance from WPC showing rain amounts approaching 10 inches for Miami and the Florida Keys. A big wet down there. But the big rains will be south of Interstate 4 Friday and Saturday. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Troughing to the north and a cold front pushing in. And that should trigger a few thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Those could be strong. The main threat coming from hail and strong gusty winds. Tomorrow night, the band of storms sagging southward. Storms probably weakening after sunset. And then Friday, we're in a dry air mass. The sky becoming mostly sunny. The humidity values come down. And we're going to leave rain out of the forecast. The high in the low to mid 80s. Pretty comfortable for early June. Saturday looks good for us. The sky will be sunny. Many spots could be in the 50s Saturday morning. The high Saturday in the mid-80s. Our tropical feature near Miami on the GFS is closer to Daytona Beach on the European. But the idea is the same, just a lot of rain for South Florida, well to the south of here. But again, Saturday looks nice here. Now, Sunday, the global model's starting to suggest there could be enough moisture coming back for a few scattered showers. That's the look there off the GFS, and we'll introduce that back into the forecast. Not an all-day rain, but a few spotty showers possible Sunday. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. And Monday, kind of the same thing, just a chance of isolated showers. Highs approaching 90. Tuesday looks pretty quiet. Again, the high close to 90. And Wednesday, a week from today, got a 588 upper high on top of us. And again, evidence suggesting the better chance of any showers north of here. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, June 11th. Ridge in the west, trough in the east. And if that's right, the weather looks dry and maybe fairly pleasant for mid-June. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 17th of June. Temperatures highs mostly in the 80s through early next week, then close to 90 for the latter half of the week. No sign of any excessively hot weather. And the latest 8 to 14-day outlook, this is for June 9th through June 15th. In Alabama, temperatures below average for the Tennessee Valley and above average near the Gulf Coast if this forecast verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.